for the land of the free and the home of the brave. Oh, okay, guys, we're back. And I have another really awesome idea. Okay, so here's the thing. It's 10 at night, roughly, something like that. And as you can see, it's dark. It's very dark. And we're going to the skate park, and it's gonna be really fun. There's a reason that we had to wait until it's dark, and that reason I will give you once we get there. So, all right, hang tight, and we'll see you in a second. Okay. Okay, so we made it. I was really actually thinking that there's gonna be people here. There normally is, but so I was hoping to get their reactions, but there's not. So it's actually probably better that there's not, because what we're doing requires a certain amount of safety that is not going to be. Oh, there's a mosquito. I didn't get it. Okay. Okay, guys. So we're set up here, and now I can reveal to you why we are here. I only have like 5 minutes to do this, so actually I gotta hurry. Okay, here we go, and bang! Look at that. We got some rockets, and today we're gonna be launching the XMAXX over, well, I guess that ramp would be best. We could do, yeah, that ramp, and over into the woods probably, and we're gonna see if the XMAXX can fly. Actually, yeah. Okay, it's gonna be exhilarating, and so anyway, let's get to it. Go ahead and comment in the comment section whether or not you think the XMAXX is actually going to fly with these rockets on it. Let me know in the comments. Okay. It smells freaking delightful. Okay, don't do that at home, kids. Also, nobody should do this at home, actually. So there's that for you. I have no idea if these are actually gonna like blow up or something. I don't think they do. It doesn't say that they do, but they're fireworks, so you never know. I guess we'll find out together. Oh no. So they just shut the lights off on us because it's 20 minutes after close. And so what we're gonna do is not care. We're still gonna do this. Hopefully it goes well. You don't really need light because it's a firework, so can't keep us down. They can't do it. Now we're just gonna do a little fusing. So many bugs for the land of the free and the home of the brave. I really don't know how this is all gonna end up. Okay. 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 I gotta tell you guys, this is freaking awesome. I don't know how it's gonna work, or if it's gonna work, for that matter, but you don't know till you try, right? Right. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we've got a slight change in plan. You can see this area is much more well lit, so what we're gonna do, and it's gonna be a little safer because I don't want to really light the forest on fire that's over there, so we're gonna put it in this bowl here, and then we're gonna see if she'll launch out of here. And all right, she's ready to go, I think. I'm really nervous, guys. Okay, here we go. The moment of truth. Usually this lighter doesn't work very good, and so we're just hoping and praying that it actually works this time. Oh, it works. Oh God. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh. Oh God. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we kind of melted our body. And also that was highly illegal. So we gotta go. Okay. Thanks guys for watching. And all right, yeah, make sure you subscribe. Trailer Trash RC on YouTube. And we love you guys. Okay, bye. Okay.